Hello everyone, this is Janelle and welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you guys my folder organization. So this folder over here is my syllabi folder. I'll show you what it is in just a second. For my folders, I use plastic folders because it's more durable, it's actually better, and it lasts long. Totally recommend the plastic folders. So I have a bunch of post-its in here to cover sensitive information. And the first page is my schedule for the semester. This is just a timeline for graduating students. As you can see, I have like a bunch of washi tape along the sides. I feel like this is way easier for me to see which page to go to, like which class, but I'll get into that later. So I got these washi tapes from Simply Gilded. There are also other variations you can try as well, like marking the page, but I like the washi tape better because it's so pretty. It makes it so nice and professional. The next section is this ATI policy we have at our school. I just like to have a copy of it to see what points I need to get for the next assessment. And this here is our capstone review. So this goes on for 8 weeks and we have to go over different subjects. So the first week fundamentals, the second week pharmacology, and so forth. My professor added a calendar for us to keep track. And now moving to the syllabi. So I color-coded comprehensive healthcare as green. And for this page over here, it's actually our outline and weekly schedule. This is some sort of plan sheet that we have for the rest of the semester. I like to mark this because I can just go back and plan it in my weeks. It's so convenient. I just love it. And this is just a course description for one of my clinicals. And this is another syllabus that I have for one of my classes. Same thing as that syllabus over here. So I just like mark my class and mark the plan sheet. Pretty simple. And in this pocket, I just have like a bunch of important papers. So I have like folder paper. This is just like a tip sheet and all that sorts. That's it for my syllabi folder. Now moving on to my class folders. So I have classes that I color-coded in my planner. So Tuesday is a clinical, Thursday is another clinical, and these two classes will be on Fridays. It's nice to have washi tape over here because I can just like grab whatever folder I need before I go to clinical or class. I'll show you guys how to do this first. So you need like a folder of some sorts, colored washi tape. This is the color blue, some scissors if you want, and a marking pen. I prefer using this because it writes so well on waxy washi tape, and using a Sharpie is not that great. I'm gonna put the link to this pen in the description box below. So I grabbed some tape, and put it in this corner over here. And then I lengthen it, snip it, and I grab this pen over here, and I'll put Friday. I'm gonna use this folder for my capstone review. And that's pretty much it. It's really simple, and it's so nice too. Now moving on to my folders. So let's start with the clinical folder. This is my clinical folder for Tuesday. I actually leave my syllabus in here. My clinical instructor might refer something to the syllabus and I could just like pull it out and check it. In this pocket, I have some assignments that I need to do. So I have this pharmacology assessment, this clinical worksheet, and some other papers. So that's it for my clinical folder. Now moving on to my class folder for Friday. So this is for comprehensive healthcare. So on this side, I have completed work or completed notes that I have for the class. And on this side is work that I have to finish. So I have to finish this math worksheet and it's super hard. It took me like 2 hours to finish 4 problems. It's crazy. But it's okay, I'm almost done with it. And that's pretty much it. Okay everyone, that's it for today's video. I hope this was really helpful for you. Let me know if you have any questions about these folders. I'm happy to help you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications for more videos. See you guys soon and have a lovely, lovely day. Bye!